The SawStop cabinet saw is the safest, most technologically advanced table saw ever made. It sets new standards for table saws and includes features not found on any other cabinet saw. One of the most popular features is the riving knife. Long a standard in Europe, it reduces the risk of kickback by preventing your workpiece from shifting into the back of the blade. Like the SawStop safety system, the riving knife protects you without getting in the way. The low-profile blade guard sits close to the blade for better visibility and can be used for narrow cuts where other guards can't. The blade guard is held in place by a proprietary quick change mount. This mount also holds the riving knife and allows for a quick change between the blade guard and riving knife without the use of tools. Each saw includes a custom-cut zero-clearance insert to minimize chipping and splintering of your material. The blade shroud encloses the blade to catch dust and channel it through a hose to the vacuum port. Dual push-button doors provide easy access to the cabinet and include interlock switches to shut off power to the motor when opened. The large on-off paddle is positioned so you can turn the saw off with your knee without letting go of your material. If your brake cartridge ever activates to save your finger, installing a new brake is both simple and foolproof. First, remove the locking key. And then slide the old brake out. Next, slide the new brake cartridge on and install the key to lock it in place. Your saw will be up and running again in just minutes. You can replace the standard brake cartridge with an optional dado cartridge shaped to stop an 8-inch dado set. It mounts in the saw just like the standard brake, so you'll have SawStop protection even when making dado cuts. With 25% more cast iron than the competition, it's the smoothest running saw you can buy. Multi-V-ribbed belts are the new standard in high-performance power transmission. They provide more torque with less vibration and are a major improvement over the V-belts found on ordinary saws. A stronger arbor and 30 to 50% larger bearings ensure less vibration and longer life. Each saw is perfectly aligned at the factory, so that every cut is dead on. The extra-large table is machine ground to the tightest tolerances from a solid piece of cast iron. A gas spring carries the weight of the internal mechanism so that raising and lowering the blade are effortless. In addition, the trunnions and motor are perfectly balanced for precise tilt adjustment. No other fence glides over the saw as smoothly as the T-Glide fence. Multiple glide plates and the adjustable rail prevent the rough, jerky movement that's common with other fences. Continuous self-checks monitor the safety system and ensure it's functioning properly. A green light means the saw is ready to go. The bypass feature allows you to cut conductive material without activating the brake. Since the safety system is disabled while in bypass, you can remove the key to make sure the safety system is always active. You can easily disable the main power switch by removing the yellow key. You can also shut off power to the saw by locking the disconnect switch in the off position. Revolutionary safety, unsurpassed quality. Experience the precision and peace of mind that is SawStop.